In this video, we will see the parameters of trusted resources. Trust is a qualitative metric. Here, we are in position to measure the trust of resources. So, the possible parameters to be identified to measure the trust of resources. Trust in cloud computing. Trust is a complicated problem in cloud computing field. Trust is a psychological state which is to establish and maintains the relationship between two objects or two persons for a long duration. Generally, trusting an individual is only possible after several analyses which leads to a trust definitions. The leading companies like Google and Amazon have executed the reputation based trust management system to assist their clients to locating trustworthy resource providers for their e-business in more secure as well as confident manner. Another leading company named eBay has built their own centralized trust model. The parameters of trusted resources. Before starting any process, first we should compute the trust value of all virtual machines and tabulate the trust values. For this, here we are using four parameters. First one is the ratio of failed task F. F is computed by using the formula the number of failed tasks in a virtual machine divided by the total number of tasks given to the virtual machine. The next parameter is availability of firewall and antivirus. If the firewall and antivirus is available, 1 is assigned to A, otherwise 0 will be assigned. And next one is ratio of available processing power. This is to be computed using a particular RAM's speed divided by total RAM's speed. And next one is available network bandwidth. Here the available bandwidth divided by total bandwidth. The metric for this bandwidth is B. So, by using these four parameters, we have to calculate the trust value of particular virtual machine. So, we have to calculate the trust value of all virtual machines and tabulate it. Based on the value, we have to select the virtual machines for our further process. Here we will see how to compute the trust of each virtual machine. Assume the trust value is 1 and the value of 4 parameters are 0.25. Hence, the trust value is computed for each machine is 0.25 into number of failed tasks plus 0.25 into availability of firewall and antivirus plus 0.25 into processing power plus 0.25 into network bandwidth. So, the trust value is to be computed for all virtual machines in our cluster and tabulate the results. This is the simple example to compute the trust value of virtual machines. In this example, we have taken 10 virtual machines. The first column is ratio of failed task. The second one is availability of firewall and antivirus A. The value of A is either 0 or 1. The third one is ratio of processing power P. The fourth one is ratio of network bandwidth B. The computer trust value T is equal to the summation of all four parameters. The T value must be 1 or less than 1. After computing trust of all virtual machines, the virtual machine will be rearranged based on the trust value. After rearranging, the table will look like this. If a job requires 5 virtual machines, the top 5 machines will be selected for the process. In our example, the virtual machine 9, 5, 7, 4 and 3 are to be selected and then the scheduled tasks are assigned to the selected virtual machines. Here alpha indicates the trust value. If we choose 0.5 for alpha value, then the machines which having greater than 0.5 only selected. This will help to higher the makespan, that is the higher throughput for some cases. The disadvantage is if we increase the alpha value, we will get only few virtual machines for the process. Though it is help to guarantee our result, but we will get only limited virtual machines. In our example, we are having only the virtual machine 9, 5 and 7 are selected because the value of trust value is 0.5 only for these 3 virtual machines. Thank you.